Hey there DIY coders, welcome to HTML Quickie, and do I have an easy tag for you today to learn. So before we get started, I want you to make sure you have your text editor open, your web browser open, and make sure you have your browser open to the file that we're going to be working on. All right, so one more thing is that if you have no clue how table tags work, I will have it linked down in the description below for you to check out and learn. I would recommend to learn that first before we go ahead here. Other than that, we'll go ahead and learn how this tag works. So we are learning table caption. So for the tag, it's written out as caption. So just like so. Just like so. And basically what this is the title of your table. As you can see here, let's see, we'll put title here, and then we automatically refreshed for me there. And you'll notice that we'll have a title for this table. So it also doesn't seem to matter that if you put it here, it will work all the same. So just to be a little more clear how this works exactly, we'll just put this back here. And what we'll do now is make more table cells. In this case, they're referred as table data cells. So we'll make a bunch here. Let's see, 3, 4, 5. All right. And then we'll just create copies just like so. Try to make it easy to understand there. And so you'll notice that the title will actually center itself. To clarify even more, say like these were the title of each column. So to highlight this, all of this will follow its own cells, whereas the caption will not follow a particular cell. It will follow the very width of the table and then center itself. And that's pretty much it. It's just that simple. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave me a like. If this was disgusting and you had no clue what the heck was going on, leave me a thumbs down. And if you have something to say, just leave me a comment. Just leave me a comment. And that will be all for this video. I will be seeing you next time. See you guys.